Hi everyone, I am Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 5 update with Anita. So how's it going, Anita, so far?
Good. It was a good week actually.
So how much weight did you lose so far?
So far, 15 pounds.
Total 15 pounds
Yes.
in 5 weeks.
Yes.
So are you satisfied about
Oh,
results?
yeah, I'm very satisfied. But yeah,
So did you find it like challenging, or that you had to like put too much restrictions on your diet or
No.
lifestyle? Yes.
no. In fact, I this week actually was thinking more outside the box in the sense of expanding what I am eating, like
Yeah.
as far as good healthy food goes,
Yeah.
and that was making the variety was really nice.
So definitely you are on track. Actually, you are ahead of your goal. So there's a chance you might have another goal in a few weeks, right?
Yeah.
And anything else you would like to say?
No, just that I really enjoyed the educational part of this
Yeah.
this program. That has given me more incentive than anything else, because when we're learning about, say, fasting
Yeah.
or whatever,
Yeah.
that's just giving impetus
Yeah.
to the weight loss.
That's right.
just sort of like a secondary almost.
That's
The
right.
education is number one.
Yeah, and this is how we do it. Every week we have to learn first,
Mhm.
then apply what we learn.
Right.
So we never start the diet right away. So that's why it's different. Right?
Yes.
Right. And do you think this is the right way, like people should follow when they try to lose weight?
Absolutely. I've tried different things, and this just blows it out of the water. This is a whole program. It's not just a chunk over here and everything else is missing. I want the pieces of the puzzle together so I can see a clear picture and I know what I'm doing.
That's right, and that's why officially we are starting the diet on week 11. So
Right.
the first 10 weeks we are just try to learn,
Yeah.
right? Try out different options. Then week 11, okay, like you will have number of options when it comes to diet or
Right.
changing your lifestyle. I would say not diet,
Right.
right? So that's really good, and I look forward to have a follow-up interview with you next week. Thank you
too.
so much.